bad. And after bad comes worst. On the mouse, huh? And the smell, crazy. The better one. And of course, I just asked the owner, when did it start? He said this morning. He saw it this morning. Today in the morning. This is a better one, and already I want to vomit. 2.5 kilo German Shepherd. I'm sure they bought these dogs for $15,000-$20,000. What is like $300, and then they are just left to rot. The person that brought them is from Gambia or from West Africa or from where? Or Nigeria. What nationality is that guy? Tubab?
Tubab, yes.
This is the proof. Gambia sucks the brain out of people. Maybe they arrive with some idea, with some good intentions, whatever, but the moment they arrive here, it's finished. Zero. People ask me why I want to leave. Because there's no hope. Sorry for that. It's true. It's true. When I came here, I thought it would be a place where you can do something, where you can achieve things. And I think we achieved a little bit, but there's no hope in the long run. No hope. Zero hope. And you told him it's mango worms when he dropped the dogs, and he said no, he doesn't think so. Or what did he say? Because that's what he told me on the phone, and he doesn't think it's mango worms.
I told him it's mango worms. He said there's white things.
White things.
On the face.
Mm-hmm.
And I just said this is mango worms.
White things on the
And he
face.
said, I just saw it this morning and it's not eating
No.
today.
I've told him when the dog is not eating, the next thing is to check if it's breathing, because if it's not breathing, maybe it's just dead. That saves a lot of hassle. And why do these people always have to have a German Shepherd? They cannot. If they had a Gambian dog, maybe there would be a chance that these animals survive it. But why a German Shepherd? Huh? The most useless, maybe together with Alaskan Malamutes, whatever bullshit. Disaster. Really. Normally, anybody who comes to the Gambia, before they are allowed to have a dog, they have to work with us 1 week. Press mango worms. And all these shitty cases. Or at least we fill the smell in bottles, and everybody who takes the dog has to sleep with the mango worm scent in its nose for a week. 2. Honestly, it's not possible. This is not possible. Huh? This is not possible. What? We are doing this for the last, 12 years, and
This one.
this... It's not possible. You have to actually force the animal, maybe put it in a shoebox or something to become so infested, because... This is not possible. Number 2. I honestly think if I sedate this one, she's going to not wake up again. Maybe it's the right decision, honestly, because it's not possible. It's not possible. Now we have to sedate her. This must be so damn painful. I think there are 500 mango worms on the face.
This one.
Huh? 500 on the face, in the puppy. Another 500 on the feet. No words. You always think we've seen the worst, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Bob, I think up to now, Bob from Bigelow was the worst case that we had. The one that we soaked outside. And then, yes. Shall I try? I think she's sleeping a little bit. Where to start? No, it's not sleeping enough. The smell. See, at this stage you cannot even press anymore because the skin is not existing anymore. It's just holds. Next try. Can you try it with both? I mean, I don't even know how to do it, honestly. Maybe if you press one finger inside,
Like, yes,
inside the mouth, yeah, to put pressure from inside. No, don't put your thumb there. Just the thumb on the side. You see, it's not possible to take them out anymore. You're just pressing worm against worm. There's no more skin. No chance. There's no resistance where you can press against it, and honestly, Honestly, it's not even fair to let her wake up from this ordeal. So let me call the owner, we put this one down. It's not... To wait, we cannot even... It's not possible. Everything is just completely eaten up. And when it's not possible to survive this. Look at, huh? Look, this. Let me call the guy. We're giving up. There's no chance that this dog is going to survive this. 0 chance. Maybe if she had come 3-4 days ago, but of course the owner said he only saw it this morning, that there was a problem. No chance. Anything we do from here is only to make her suffer more. That's a good sign. I think he will be alright. But he needs to go back to the same owner.